This video will show you how to replace the Weatherstrip on a Silverline V3 Series awning window. You'll need safety glasses, a small flat blade screwdriver, and scissors, as well as replacement Weatherstrip. If your window has an insect screen, you'll need to remove it. Retract the inside latches and pull the insect screen inward. Set it aside for reinstallation. Next, unlock the window and open it completely. Starting at the bottom center of the sash, locate one end of the Weatherstrip. Gently pull the Weatherstrip out of the sash. It may be helpful to use a small flat blade screwdriver as shown. Continue to remove the Weatherstrip from the perimeter of the sash. Starting at the bottom center of the sash, insert the new Weatherstrip into the kerf or channel on the sash as shown. Continue pressing the new Weatherstrip into the kerf around the perimeter of the sash. Using scissors, trim the excess Weatherstrip at the bottom of the sash. Press the remaining end into the kerf and properly dispose of any excess Weatherstrip. Close and lock the window. Finally, if you removed an insect screen, reinstall it by placing the insect screen in the frame and securing with the screen clips. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the Weatherstrip on your Silverline awning window.